This tutorial explains the benefit of using master pages. This is a useful feature if you have a multi-page document and there's certain elements you want to see throughout your document, whether it be a brochure or portfolio, such as page numbers or folios, headers, footers, etc. First of all, create yourself a new page, come up to Window and select Pages. At the moment I'm in my main document, but I need to be up here in the Master Page area. Double click the small page icon and make sure that this is all highlighted in pale blue. Then you know that you're in this feature. Now this is an opportunity to add margins and to add columns to your documents. Now you could have done this at the beginning setup area, but I'm now going to add them now. Simply come up to Layout, Margins, select the amount of columns you want, and if this is unlinked as mine is, you can actually then change the amount of figures that are appearing in each of your margin boxes. Note that's only done the page on the left hand side. That's because that is the only one highlighted on my master page icons. I'm now double clicking to do the same on the other side. Had I wanted to create those same layouts on both pages, I could have held down Shift to select both pages and done it in one go. I'm now going to create a box with a rectangular tool that's going to appear throughout my document. I'm going to fill that with colour by going up to Window, Colour and Swatches, and I'm going to choose a new swatch by coming to the sub-menu and clicking New Colour Swatch. You can slide up these small sliders to choose the colour that you want. I'm now going to fill this box with the colour, going to the bottom of the tool palette, and if you want to remove the border, simply bring the small stroke icon to the front and click None. You can now edit and copy and edit and paste to take the shape to the other side, but I'm actually going to click and drag. And I'm holding down Alt to duplicate the box. I'm now going to take another rectangle shape along the top and to add a bit of interest, I'm going to bring both of these boxes to the front by holding down Object, Arrange and Bring to Front, and I'm going to take the opacity down. This gives quite an interesting crossover of colour. So I want these elements to appear throughout my document, and if I now double click into my document, you will see that it's starting to appear there, and as I drag in more pages, I can now see that it is starting to form the design through the whole of my brochure. If you want to add more elements into your design, simply double click at the top into the master page area. I might want to create some text that appears all the way through my portfolio. And again, I'm simply going to click Alt to replicate that box. Now it's important to remember once you're in the main document, these items are in effect locked. You can't access a master page item, which means that I can't change the colour or edit them in any way. Once you're in your document, if you do want to edit the objects that are there, Simply click on the pages that you want to edit and say override all master page items. In effect, this will unlink them, which enables you to change the colour or edit them. So again, I'm going to go to the spread that I want to work with and say override all master page items. I can then move or edit or change the colour. Thank you for listening about the features called Master Pages.